Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making a quick dessert that I make quite often for my friends and family because they love it. And all you need is 30 minutes to make this fancy, decadent chocolate pudding. So let's take a look at the recipe. Take 3 cups of milk in a saucepan. Add half a cup sugar, 3 tablespoons corn flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk it until there are no lumps. Take 100 grams of dark chocolate bar and using a vegetable peeler, peel the sides and edges of the bar to get chocolate curls, which we'll be using later as a topping. Now finally chop the remaining chocolate bar and add it to the milk. We only need the two of us together. Dark chocolate adds a rich taste and texture to the pudding, but it's completely optional. If you don't want to use it, just add 1 more tablespoon of cocoa powder to the milk. Now place the pan over low to medium heat and bring it to a boil by stirring continuously. Once the mixture becomes thick, continue to cook for 2 more minutes. Remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Butter adds more flavor and gives a silky texture to the pudding, so try not to skip it. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract and mix everything well. Now pour it into your serving dishes and chill for at least an hour before you serve so that it's cool and refreshing. Take it out of the fridge and garnish with chocolate curls we made earlier. You can also top it off with whipped cream, chocolate chips, or fresh fruits. Look at the texture. It's thick and creamy with the right amount of sweetness. Now tell me, who can resist this? Please do give this recipe a try and let me know if you liked it. Do not forget to share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.